one of the other common questions I get asked from marketers is there's a lot of hesitation around AI. And I think part of that is because we all don't know what it's going to do in our industry yet. We're all kind of wondering, which is a very exciting time, but it's also a very anxiety ridden time for a lot of us. And I think that's for very good reasons. But when we think about AI at GrowthLoop and what our role in marketing is, one of the key principles that we've started to adopt and see even within our clients that makes it an approachable conversation about how AI is going to transform marketing is AI is always going to have human in the loop in marketing. And so, what do we mean by that? When we talk about the marketing loop of defining audiences, deciding your channels, deciding the sequence of messages, and then learning from it, and then providing suggestions of what to do next time, AI is going to assist in every single one of those steps. But what's not going to happen is that you're all of a sudden have to give the reins over to the AI to run your marketing campaigns. What's really important is you need to think through where are the marketers going to become governors or admins on the system. That's how you have to think about your team. Instead of maybe they are actually drawing every single journey on the canvas themselves, maybe the AI makes the suggestions of the journeys on the canvas, but the marketer is reviewing every single step. So they start to turn into the arbiter of your customer experience where they're reviewing creatives, they're reviewing journeys, they're specifying the goals and giving context to the LLM. So while their role might slightly change, in no way, shape, or form are marketers taken out of the loop.